The ongoing maintenance of this older wooden boat. And you see here the freshwater infiltration that has created rot in the lower portion of that bulwark, the forward deck. So we're going to get that fixed up. Okay, here's a little bit of a west system fix on that bottom rod. Put some additional hardwood in there. The west system. Looking too shabby.
Okay. This is the way it looks right now. So we have to work a little bit more this project. Just gonna start sealing the edges, and then we're gonna put in a seat hole. Should looks like that. Okay. It's getting close. Okay.
Here we show you the caulking of the seams. Get that sealed up. Help seal those a little better. And then those are wood plugs. The brass screws have been countersunk and the wood plugs put on top. Those will be sanded down. Here we show quickly the cleaned up and polished brass hawsepipe fittings. These are for the dock lines to secure the vessel to the dock going through the forward bulwark.